Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I got a quick addendum to what I did last time to show you guys the Maniacs video game. So now I have a file known as FMV CVP, and I'm pretty much opening it in Notepad so it's easy for you guys to see the code. So I scroll down, throw a little FMV stuff in here. So basically, you have multiple clips or multiple bitmaps that I started from a video file that was on the site earlier. So basically, every little bitmap you see here is pretty much extracted from the video file itself. And to make sure everything was as clean as possible, I made sure they were transferred as high-res JPEGs. And then I went into Microsoft Paint, resized everything to 240 by 135 from there. And then just save as, went to bitmap, and then 16 color bitmaps. So that's basically what you gotta do for everything you're gonna put in Turbo Silver Plus. So now we're going to the meat and potatoes of the source code. Scroll this down. So basically, as mentioned earlier, I had the show bitmap function going multiple times. And every individual clip I had saved as an individual scene right here. So as you can see here, look at the actual video of it. So basically, it's a video of little Greg doing some blending. And as you can see, there's a little bit of animation there. Just from looking at little bitmaps together. So now we actually will run it. Go on the full screen so you guys see what's going on. Let me run it. So now we have a little bit of 8-bit video of little Greg trying to make a milkshake right there on camera.